Hey there. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, why is online marketing so important? So before we dive in, my name is Sarah Lawyer, mompreneur, and I am here to help you build your business online, get more exposure, get more traffic, get more customers, get more leads, everything you need to build your business. Business, online marketing can be your lifeblood. I'm actually going to give you 4 reasons why you should start using online marketing in your business today. Because if you're not doing online marketing, you're probably just relying on people coming into your store or even just happen chance finding you. So I want to actually start encouraging you as a business owner to start marketing your business, and this is why. So number 1, it attracts more customers to you. So we love to get referrals. Referrals are a lifeblood as a business owner. But in order to get more referrals, usually you need to add more customers to your customer base. And so in order to add more customers, you need to market your business. And online is the way of the world right now. If you're not online, you are missing a large portion of the population that only lives online. So yes, you may market to people who aren't online, but they are starting to get online too, and especially the boomers. They're starting to get online. They're starting to get the picture. Everything is online nowadays. Okay, so definitely make sure you get online. Number 2, it's also cost effective. Now, granted, you can hire agencies to do this for you. That will make it a little bit more cost heavy. But if you are a small business and you're looking to get your business online and get it started and going, it's really easy. 1, you need a website. 2, you need content on your website. So what does content look like? Because you may be thinking, I'm just a dog grooming business. All right, here's the thing. Any business has something to share to its customers. You get questions all the time from your customers. For example, a dog groomer. Well, I ask all the time, how often should I wash my dog? Or how often should I have my dog groomed, especially for a poodle mix? Or is it recommended to trim their nails? How short do you trim their nails? What does that look like? These are questions you can answer online. That is the power of digital marketing online and why it is so easy for you to start doing it. You have customers, you have these questions, so start answering them. Put them on a blog, put them in a video, put them on YouTube. You'll be surprised at how quickly your presence grows, even if you're just a brick and mortar place in one certain location. Start putting yourself out there and people will see, oh, I saw them online. You're in that area, you should go check them out. Referrals. That can be the power of online marketing. All right, number 3. There are lots of different ways to do it. Oh my goodness. We are in a world of multiple opportunities. Multiplicity. Like we can just go out there and put it up on Facebook, put it up on Instagram, put it up on Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, Google. But here's the thing. This is one warning caveat I want to give you. If you're starting to put your business up online and start doing online marketing, what I want you to do is house it online with your website. So before you put anything online, before you use social media, before you use Pinterest even, before you use YouTube, have a home. What does that mean? Have a website. So you want to have a place where you own. If all you have is a Facebook business page or an Instagram business page or even just a YouTube business page, you could get kicked off and then lose everything. So you need to have a home. You need to have a base of operations, if we want to be specific. Have a website online that is yours alone. You control how people come and go from it, not the other way around. And from there, expand. So you're on your website, now expand. So if you're brand new to getting into the online space, I want to give you my brand new course. It's called Wix Tutorial. Wix Website Builder is my website builder of choice. I've gone through WordPress, I've gone through Blogger, I've gone through, I can't remember the third one. I've gone through WordPress and I've gone through Blogger, and Wix is where I found my home. It is very easy to customize. It's also very easy on the budget. So if you're not looking to spend a lot to get your business online, start with Wix. And guess what? You can get my Wix tutorial to walk you through how to build your website, customize it to your business specifications, and make it look all professional for just $197. And you can get instant access, so you can start building your website today, right now. Okay? So I'll put the link in the description. Make sure you go get that if you are new to putting your business online. All right, before we get into the last tip, I want you to make sure to hit subscribe and like this video if you have found some great information. Number 4. Sorry, I'm looking down at my notes. I hope you don't mind. It allows you to reach more people. So many times, if you're only sticking to your little space, you're restricting yourself. You're basically building up a brick wall and not allowing other people outside of your little space to find you and buy from you. So why is online marketing so important? It builds your business, it builds your revenue, it builds your brand. It can build a community where people now come to see you online, they will see you in person, they will see you everywhere. So that is the power of online marketing. All right, so if you're new to online marketing and you really need some help, definitely check out my Profitable Pinterest Academy. My Profitable Pinterest Academy is just for learning how to market online using Pinterest. It is by far the best way to start if you're brand new to online marketing. From there, it's easy to branch out, to start sharing it to Facebook, to start sharing it to Instagram, to start sharing it to Twitter or LinkedIn. Start with a search engine platform, and that way people will start to find you. All right, so that is it. I hope you got value. Please make sure again to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you like the best and what you'd like to hear more of. Talk to you soon.